Everyone. So, NEET 2021 results will soon declared, and after that, MCC will soon start the counseling and admission procedures. So, in today's video, we are going to share what are the documents required at the time of joining and reporting in allotted colleges through NEET. As this video is uploading earlier so that you can find it easy to arrange these documents as soon as possible. Remind this, if you lacking with any one of these documents can lead to the cancellation. So let's get into today's video. When comes to the required documents, original documents along with the attested photocopies of the documents are required for your undergraduate medical courses for the admission to 15% of total seat in all India quota. So the first document we required is the admit card of the exam. You have to keep an admit card of your NEET examination. The next one is rank letter issued by NTA. After declaration of your results, you have to take the printout of your rank letter. The next one is date of birth certificate. And along with this, bring your class 10 certificate. The next one to bring is class 12 certificate. The next one is at least 8 passport size photograph, and that must be same as affixed on the application form. You have to bring at least 8 to 10 passport size photograph, and it should be same as that of on the original application form. And the next one is professional allotment letter. And after the counseling, when you get allotted to any colleges, you will get a professional allotment letter. Print it out and bring with these documents. The next one is proof of identity, and it should be a government authorized ID card like Aadhaar card, passport, etc. The next one is character certificate or conduct certificate issued by the last attended school or college. Along with this, bring your transfer certificate issued by the last arranged college or school. So these are the basic documents we required at the time of joining or reporting in your allotted medical or dental colleges. But along with this, some documents are also required for those students who belongs to reservation category. That is, if you are a student from SC or ST category, bring your SC or ST certificate issued by the competent authority. And please note that a standard format of this certificate is specified in the information bulletin given by the NTA. That is, we already know the information bulletin prescribed by NTA. There we can see an specified format of SC or ST certificate. And along with this video, we will share how to download the specified format or standard format of SC or ST certificate from the information bulletin. From this, you can download it and prove that you are belong to an SC or ST category with the help of a government authorized authority. For OBC candidates too, you have to bring an OBC certificate issued by the competent authority. And please note, the OBC candidate should not belong to creamy layer to claim the OBC reservation benefit. And I will show you the prescribed format of OBC certificate too in this video. And please note that these certificate, that is SC, ST and OBC certificate, should be in English or Hindi in languages. And in case the certificate is in regional language, the candidate should carry an attested translated copy of the certificate in English or Hindi. And the next one is for those students who belong to PWD category, that is person with disability. So the next one is orthopedic physical disability certificate or medical fitness certificate issued from an authorized medical board. Candidate without the original certificate or documents shall not be allowed to take admission in the allotted medical or dental colleges. So, one important thing to note is candidates who have deposited their original document with any other institute and come for admission with a certificate stating that their original certificates are deposited with the institute will not be allowed to take admission in the allotted colleges. So, you have to carry your original certificate along with you have to carry an attested photocopies of all these documents. Comes about the medical fitness certificate for PWD candidates. Please note, these certificate should be in the form that is prescribed in the information bulletin, and it is issued by 13 medical colleges in India, and list of centers for disability certificates are given here. No other physically handicapped certificate issued by any other authorities or hospital will be entertained. So there are 13 hospitals where you can get your disability certificate. And here the list. The first one is Vardhman Mahavir Medical College, New Delhi. All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, Mumbai. Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Kolkata. Madras Medical College. Grant Government Medical College, Mumbai. Goa Medical College. Government Medical College, Trivandrum. SMS Medical College, Jaipur. Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. Government Medical College, Agartala. Institute of Medical Science, Banaras. Ali Yavar Jung National Institute of Speech and Hearing Disabilities, Bandra, Mumbai. And AIMS, Nagpur. So these are the 13 institutes where you can get your disability certificates. So these are the important documents you required at the time of admission or joining at the allotted college. Please make sure to bring all these original documents along with the photocopies too.